ICF Railway Apprentice Recruitment 2025 is officially out. A golden opportunity to work with Indian Railways. Right from the integral coach factory, Chennai. Total vacancies, 10 posts. Open for freshers and ex-ITI candidates in multiple trades like fitter, welder, electrician and more. Job location, Chennai, Tamil Nadu. Last date to apply, 21st August 2025. Eligibility criteria, 10th pass with 50% marks. ITI Certificate for ex-ITI. 12th with biology for MLT trades. No exam, no interview. Selection is purely merit-based, based on 10th and ITI marks. Monthly stipend, 6,000 rupees for 10th pass. 7,000 rupees for 12th pass and ex-ITI. Application fee, General OBC, 100 rupees. SC Cent PWBD Women, no fee. Apply online now. Direct link is in the description. Trades available: carpenter, fitter, welder, electrician, machinist, painter, MLT, and more. Don't miss this chance to join India's largest coach factory under central government. Like, share and subscribe for latest job updates.